Hello friends, today's topic is amphibians. So basically in this video we are going to discuss about the amphibians and their eggs, which are very unique, and most of you may not have seen the eggs of some of the amphibians, and even some amphibians are extinct. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we'll know that what is an amphibian. An amphibian is an animal that usually lives a part of its life in water and a part of its life on land. It is a cold-blooded animal and has a backbone. Most amphibians have smooth, moist skin and no scales. So, over here we also have the type of amphibians, which are caecilian, tree frog, salamander, frog, siren, which is also a type of salamander, toad, and newt, which is also a type of salamander. Now we are going to start with different types of amphibians. So first is the water frog. Most frogs and toads begin life as eggs floating in the water. A female may release up to 30,000 eggs at once. Each species of toad and frog lays eggs at different times. So here is the water frog and here are its eggs. So I guess that many of you may not have seen this type of eggs. So this would be a new thing for you to learn. So these are transparent eggs which are laid in water. This is a water frog. Newt. Newt eggs are laid on underwater leaves near the margin. After 4 weeks, the eggs hatch as tadpoles, which then take a further 3 months to develop into a young newt capable of leaving the water. So this is the newt and these are its eggs, which these eggs look like pearls, right? मोती जैसे लग रहे हैं ये. Then climbing salamander. Salamanders also vary in their reproductive methods, exhibiting oviparity. Jocust 2004 with species that lay eggs in both aquatic and terrestrial environments, as well as oviparity and viviparity. Velo Anton et al. 2012. This is the climbing salamander and these are its eggs. Tree frog. Pacific tree frogs lay eggs in clusters of 10 to 80, typically attached to vegetation in shallow, still water. Each cluster is a soft, irregularly shaped mass that does not hold its shape out of water. A single female frog lays 20 to 30 egg clusters in a breeding season. So this is a tree frog and these are its eggs. Encetina. Encetina lay their eggs under bark in leaf litter and other debris. These eggs hatch into fully formed juveniles. There is no aquatic larval stage. This is a common adaptation of lungless salamanders. Over here is the Encetina and eggs and Encetina's eggs. Frog. Frog is the most common. You may be knowing the eggs of frog and many details of frog. Frogs deposit their eggs as a clump of jelly, toads as strings, and newts wrap theirs individually in folded leaves. The embryos hatch as larvae and feed in the water until they are ready to metamorphose into juvenile versions of adult form. The adults spend no time with their eggs after deposition. This is a frog and these are its eggs. Gyrothorax. Gyrothorax is an extinct animal, okay? Gyrothorax wickerchest is an extinct genus of temnospondyl amphibians from the Triassic period of Greenland, Germany, Sweden, and possibly Thailand. It is known from a single species, G. pulcherimus, through several other species such as G. pusillogomeratus have been named in the past. This is the Gyrothorax, and its eggs have not been known to anyone because Gyrothorax was present in the Triassic period, and nobody may have known the eggs of Gyrothorax. Means Triassic period means the dinosaurs period maybe, so its eggs are not known till now. Hellbender is an endangered amphibian species. Hellbenders mate in the fall under large nest rocks. Females lay a double strand of 100 to 500 eggs which are fertilized externally. Males guard the nests and eggs hatch in about 2 months. Larvae are about an inch, 2.5 centimeters long and have external gills. This is the hellbender and these are its eggs. Siren, which is a type of salamander. The female will lay about 12 to 300 eggs and she may lay multiple clutches throughout the season. Status in Tennessee. Research is lacking and the status of the lesser siren in Tennessee is not well known. It is not threatened over much of its range. This is the siren, which is a type of salamander. Its eggs. Amphiuma. Two-toed Amphiuma females lay eggs that hatch after 5 months. Two-toed Amphiumas begin their larval stage with external gills but lose them around 2 weeks after hatching. Their gills are usually white and are described as 3 finely branched on both sides of their heads. So this is the Amphiuma and these are its eggs. So friends, I hope you found this video informative. So please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and till the next video. Bye.